Want to know how to unlock the Taiga snake in snake.io. So Taiga is a tiger skinned snake and it's super cool. So I'm just going to show you how you can unlock it. So to see the requirements, you need to just simply head towards edit snake. That should be right here. So once you have selected edit snake, you can just simply make sure you're under snakes tab, and here once you are there, just simply scroll to the right side, and here you should be seeing the Taiga snake right here. So just simply select it, and now once you've selected unlock, here you should be seeing your current requirement of unlocking the snake. So you can just simply select free right here to get some boost. And now here you can also skip quest by 125 coins or just play 80 games a day. So you gotta grind for it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.